I own over 15 suits and not a single one is navy. Most style guides will tell you to buy a navy suit first. But here's the truth about your first suit. Navy suits have no real flaws in business. They pair perfectly with dress shirts and work with conservative ties. So why don't I own one? And why might gray be the smarter investment for you? By the end of this video, you will see 3 specific gray options and know exactly which one to choose. Plus, I'll show you the same suit styled 3 completely different ways. Let's challenge some conventional wisdom. Here's what might surprise you most. I don't feel like I'm missing anything essential without a navy suit in my wardrobe. This isn't because navy suits are bad. They are not. It's because for my lifestyle, for my styling preferences, gray offers everything navy does, plus versatility that navy simply cannot match. And here's what's really telling. Out of my 15 suits, 7 are in gray shades, and 3 more are neutral colors leaning towards gray. That's 2/3 of my wardrobe gravitating toward gray. And that's not by accident. Here's what I mean about gray's superior versatility. Watch this transformation. This is the same suit styled 2 completely different ways. Try that with navy. Much harder to pull off. Gray suits come in different shades. Light gray, mid gray and charcoal. Let's focus on mid gray first, which I consider the sweet spot. Mid gray is just as conservative as navy and considered one of the business suits. It can be styled with almost exactly the same dress shirts and ties as navy. But here's the crucial difference. A gray suit doesn't need to look corporate and business in every situation. If you're buying your first suit, that versatility matters even more. Your one suit needs to handle business meetings, internet dates, and family events. Gray delivers on all fronts. Watch this, same gray suit but paired with a black roll neck sweater. This works in casual settings where you want to look sharp and dressed up. But a navy suit would still feel a bit corporate. To office meeting. Now, my particular mid-gray is a sharkskin worsted that's best kept as a complete suit. But here's where fabric choice matters. My charcoal gabardine jacket breaks up beautifully with jeans, khakis or flannel trousers. This shows why texture is so important when choosing your gray suit. Gray trousers with texture are incredibly versatile as separates. Much more so than navy trousers, which are harder to style outside of the full suit. Gray trousers can be worn with your navy blazer, but navy trousers would look off with your gray jacket. Here's the strategic advantage. If you want navy's versatility, you can always buy a separate navy blazer without the trousers. While I have navy blazers, I don't own a full navy suit. Now I'm curious, when you think business suit, do you automatically think navy? Because here's what might surprise you about modern dress codes. Let's talk about how men actually dress for work today. Unless you are in law, finance or formal consulting, chances are your dress code is business casual or smart casual, not traditional business formal. In business casual environments, a navy worsted suit can actually make you look overdressed. A gray suit, especially in a textured fabric and an Oxford cloth button-down shirt or a roll neck sweater, strikes the perfect balance. Formal enough to be appropriate, relaxed enough not to look out of place. You can wear the full suit with a dress shirt and tie when you need to step up, or break it apart for everyday sophistication. And for those of you who think suits are outdated and don't belong in a modern men's wardrobe, a gray suit will serve you even in casual situations, where you can just wear the jacket as a separate to look sharp and put together. If there arises a situation that demands formal dress code, you will still have your gray suit ready to serve you. It's the ultimate hedge against uncertainty. Okay, I can already hear some of you thinking, but what about the versatility of a navy suit? Let me address that directly, because there are times when navy is the right choice. Now, let me be clear, I'm not saying navy suits are inferior to gray suits. They serve different needs and there are specific situations where navy is absolutely the right choice. If you work in a traditional corporate environment where suits are daily uniform, a worsted navy is essential. If you attend formal evening events regularly, navy provides a classic unquestionable sophistication. And if you're building an extensive suit wardrobe, navy certainly deserves a place. But here's my key point. If you want to wear your suit not only formally but casually on occasion, if you value maximum versatility from a single purchase, gray offers superior options. A navy suit simply isn't as versatile. Take navy jacket separation for example. If you wanted to wear your navy suit jacket as a separate, you will likely need to change the buttons from dark horn to contrasting ones, golden, silver or mother of pearl. It's just one more step, one more expense. Now that we've established grey offers superior versatility for your first suit, let me break down your options. Light grey is the modern choice, perfect for anyone looking for maximum versatility, or anyone in warmer climates. Dyed with dress shirts and conservative ties, it's just as much business as a navy suit, but it can also be paired with a polo shirt for a relaxed and put together look. Or if the jacket has some texture, you can pair it with your jeans. It just looks super fresh and incredibly stylish. Best in lightweight fabrics like tropical wool, fresco or linen blends. Mid grey is your Swiss Army knife. This is my top recommendation for most men. It works in any season, any setting, any time of day. Professional enough for important meetings, relaxed enough for social events. If you could only own one suit for the rest of your life, make it a well-tailored mid-grey. Quick question, which of these three grey options sounds most appealing for your lifestyle? Light, mid or charcoal? Keep that in mind as I break down the final considerations. Charcoal is the most formal option, perfect for evening events, important presentations or when you need maximum formality. If it's a slightly textured fabric, you can wear the jacket with jeans for superior versatility. Here's something most men don't realize about fabric choice, and this might change how you approach suit shopping. The fabric choice matters more than the exact shade. A textured grey, gabardine, herringbone for colder seasons or fresco for spring and summer will always be more versatile than a smooth worsted, regardless of color. Let's talk money. A quality suit is an investment, and like any investment, you want maximum return. Think about your current wardrobe for a second. How many times have you wished you had something that could work for both a professional occasion and drinks with friends? That's exactly what I'm talking about. A navy suit serves one primary function, making you look professionally appropriate. A grey suit serves multiple functions, professional when needed, stylish when desired, even casual when broken up. Cost per wear is what matters. If your navy suit gets worn 20 times a year because it's too formal for your actual life, but your grey suit gets worn 60 times because you can style it multiple ways, which was the better investment? Here's how I'd build a suit wardrobe today. Start with mid-grey in a textured fabric. Offers you the most versatility. Add a light grey for summer and casual styling. Then add a worsted navy for formal occasions if you need a true formal suit. Otherwise, go with a navy blazer that can still be dressed formally if necessary and gives you a clean look for casual outfits too. This gives you a foundation that actually serves your lifestyle, not just traditional expectations. The best style advice isn't about rigidly following rules. It's about understanding principles and applying them to your actual life. The navy suit first rule worked when every man wore a suit to work daily. Today, it's outdated advice that can limit your style potential. A grey suit offers everything navy does, plus flexibility navy can't match. It's the foundation of a modern wardrobe that serves how you actually live.